Before we start anything new, we gotta find out the why. Why should we do it? Why should we do YouTube ads? YouTube has been around for a long time, even longer than Facebook, and YouTube ads have been around since a long time too. They were just not used by marketers. YouTube ads used to have a separate interface. You had to go to a separate place, a separate website on YouTube to advertise on YouTube. And most of the advertising done on YouTube was not from marketers like you and me. It was done mostly by brands whose prime objective was to reach, to advertise and just explode their brand reach, brand awareness, and not really seek an exact and direct outcome. Marketers like us, we want an outcome. We want a lead sign up. We want a sale. We want somebody to come and buy our offer, or at least share with us their phone number, their email address. That sort of outcome was something that YouTube was not designed or expected to procure, to make possible, but now it does. After Facebook introduced its targeting methods, it took the online advertising world by storm, and it ignited the imagination of smaller marketers like you and me, who had only been sticking to Google PPC till then, and they could actually come into Facebook and dominate it, target the exact people they wanted to target, and turn their advertising into direct ROI, direct sales, direct conversions, lead signups. They could do it all with Facebook. And when Facebook did that, it not just rose in the ranks of smaller marketers, not just the smaller marketers migrated to Facebook, but also the bigger brands. They used this targeting to target the exact demographic they wanted to target and better get the awareness they wanted to get. YouTube came on a little later into the scene. They adopted those practices slightly later, integrating YouTube advertising in Google Ads, and you could finally get the same kind of targeting that Facebook was offering, just not that good quality. But we'll come to that later. But theoretically, you can advertise with the same kind of interest targeting, the same kind of targeting that Facebook offers, and smaller marketers have discovered YouTube a little recently after Facebook has become more competitive, and now they're working with it more often. And I'm sure before long you will see that YouTube is going to be something major for every marketer out there, just as Facebook is right now. Of course, the most important change that happened that made all of this possible was the explosion of bandwidth. Bandwidth is now cheaper than ever. It's dirt cheap. People don't even think about the cost anymore. And it's on their phone. They don't have to sit on the computer to use the internet anymore. It's always with them. It's always in their pocket, and they watch everything they want on it. They can watch Netflix, they can watch Amazon Prime, or they can go to YouTube and watch the videos there. They don't have to think about the cost. They don't have to think about bandwidth. They don't have to think about throughput. They can get HD quality videos right inside their pocket anytime they want. And the accessibility has spread the influence. The accessibility has made it possible for everyone to be a consumer, really spreading the footprint of YouTube. YouTube is now ubiquitous. Everyone has it. In fact, right now, YouTube is bigger than Facebook. Would you believe it? More people are using YouTube than Facebook, and on a day-to-day basis, it's growing faster than Facebook. How fast? It's actually going double the speed. More than 2x the people are being added to YouTube than on Facebook on a daily basis, and so the distance is just going to get wider and wider. There was not a very long time ago when Facebook was supposed to be the YouTube killer, and as soon as Facebook was at the epitome of its popularity, people were writing off YouTube. But now the situation has reversed. YouTube is ahead of Facebook already, and the gap is widening. So why is that so? Why is that happening? It's because of the format. People are moving heavily towards video with the advent of the high bandwidth, and the gap has made actually a higher amount of inventory available on YouTube. But without the targeting options, without the advanced targeting that Facebook has, marketers have just not moved to YouTube in those many numbers. That's why ads might actually be cheaper on YouTube in most segments, in most niches than Facebook, where you're paying more. It's because the inventory, the people who are watching the videos on YouTube, they are not being shown as many ads, as many marketers are not targeting these people. That's why you can get cheaper clicks. That's why you can get cheaper views.